we ventured to Kelowna for the 2024 Bc Overland Rally. First pit stop was at Mapillo Coffee Co. We got to the ranch pretty late since we drove out after work. And what do you know, more coffee to start the day. We had a pretty relaxed morning, drank our coffee, and made some crepes. We'll see how this goes. Oh, yeah! Look at that. Do you see this?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Then we headed over to the vendors to check them all out. Some of the vendors included were Alu Cab, Capit, 4-Wheel Drive Association, Freedom Recovery Gear, and even Adam's Off-Road Shop, where we get most of the work done on the Jeep. Throughout the weekend, Bc Overland Rally offered different kinds of classes, and we're doing trail runs with all the different kinds of rigs. The original plan was to stay the whole weekend, but after purchasing the tickets, found out that one of my best friends was getting married in the States that same weekend. So we set out to drive halfway home the day before. We decided to stop in Merritt for lunch and found this place. And oh my goodness guys, you need to check out Kukuli Cafe for yourselves.
Got the chicken taco.
Venison taco bowl. Yum.
We then made it to our campsite for the night before our final stretch back home.
Morning.
Okay, that's a wrap for this vlog. Stay tuned for the next adventure where we explore the island with our kayaks to witness the bioluminescence.